I wanted to show you a quick tutorial again on how to embed a Google Slides presentation into your blog post. And it's a little bit tricky, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick video of how to do that. So first, you have your slides presentation. You want to go to File, and you want to say Publish to the Web. So this is different from sharing it. You want to say File, Publish to Web. And over here you click Embed. And you can choose how large you want it to be. I would say either medium or large is good. I'm going to go with large. And I'm going to say Publish. Yes, I am sure. Now you get this big chunk of code. And right in here, this is what you want to copy. So I'm going to go Command C and copy it. Then I'm going to come over to my blog post. So to start a new post, you click here, or if you have a draft going, I'm going into my draft here. Now, really important, normally you're in the compose view, which looks like this, and you can type and all that good stuff. However, what you want to do instead is go to this part, which is the HTML view. And this will show, oh, there's actually more code in here telling me what things are supposed to look like. I'm going to paste the code that I copied from Google Slides into here. And when I come back to Compose View, it will show, oh, there's something pasted in here now. So if I go to Preview, I should hopefully be able to see, ta-da, I have my Google Slides presentation embedded in my blog now. So what's nice is somebody can go through and navigate through that slides presentation. So just to review, you go from your slides, you go File, Publish to Web, Embed, copy all of this, go to your post, HTML view, and paste it into there, and then you can see your embedded slides presentation. So I would say go medium or large with your slides presentation. Hope this helps.